Hey guys, another video here. So this is the PUR Plus filter. So I'm gonna unbox it and install it. If you can see right here, it's pretty simple. All you do is first let's unbox it. Here we have the filter itself right here. Well, this is the what's gonna be installed. And then that's actually the filter cartridge. This is the filter cartridge that's gonna go inside here. And so we have it comes with these external adapter. Then you're gonna have to use these adapter to install this. So we carry out the manual here. Pretty much will tell you some of the things you need to know, and inside of it, it will tell you all of the chemicals that the filter will stop. So it's up to 71 different contaminants that it can stop. So those are all the lists there, and it'll tell you, some of these informations that are important. So yeah, all right. That's the main here. Just wanted to show y'all. And so all right. So this is just a little coupon there, $2 off for your next filter. Anyways, so that's that. It's the box itself. Cool. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and install this. So first, you will need to take this adapter thing off of your facet, right? So you take it up there. So as you can look at mine is it's internal adapter, right? So it's an internal one. I have the internal one, so I'm gonna definitely need an adapter to install my my system. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Welcome back. All right, so I've installed one of the threaded adapter into the facet. As you can see, now I have an external one. So you want to make sure there's an external one, because that's the only way your system will be able to be clipped onto the facet, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So here, you're gonna go ahead and click. Well, actually, no. Before we do that, sorry, we have to put in the filter itself into the filter cartridge into the system. So first, you're gonna need to open this thing here, and it's you kind of have to. It's a little bit tight, but when you squeeze it out, it will eventually open, and it's clockwise. So go ahead and put this in it. So you make sure. Go ahead and put this in. I don't think it matters how it goes in, but as long as you get it in there. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. So as long as it's in there. And then you put the top back on. Alright, so let me quick. So put the top back on here like this. And I'm gonna have to squeeze it back on. Like so. And until it go all the way. Now you're gonna push this back in. And you make sure you squeeze it, and you keep turning it clockwise until it gets it that way. So now give me a second here. Kind of what I did wrong. So you want to make sure the adapter is really screwed in. So I'm gonna make sure of that right now. No matter what, you don't need any tool for this, right? It's just everything you're doing here, you're just using your hand. This is that simple. All right, so you do that, and then you put this back in like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this now. So this is clockwise, as you can see. All right, so that's a little bit. It's a lot better than that. Okay, good. It's good now. Okay, good. Okay, I know. Okay, so anyways, I think it's sturdy now. Okay, good. So it is installed. So as you can see, that's pretty much it. Once you get it in like this, it's pretty sturdy. And then what you do now is so see the lever is up, so you bring it down like this, and this is how you know it's on, right? This is on, this is off. This is on, so going down, so when it's down, it's on. When it's up, it's off, right? And they recommend not to run any hot water through the filter. So when you run in hot water, you want to turn it off, right? And so because this is my first time using it, I'm gonna go ahead and run the water. But I want to also make sure your Alright, good. So I'm gonna run the water for 5 minutes. Right. So we're gonna go ahead and put this down, and then we will. Let's see. Alright, so this is. Want to make sure it's cold water. Right. So we're gonna get the cold water running, and then we're gonna go ahead and push it down. And once you push it down, there we go. And there's the water coming out, and the little green light is gonna flash it for a little second, and the water is gonna come out. So now we're gonna leave it on for 5 minutes. We're gonna let it run for 5 minutes, and then and once it's run for 5 minutes, you can start using it. That's pretty much it. Yep. And that's how simple it is to install. So I'm gonna let it run. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.